How to see blocked contacts on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can see blocked contacts on Snapchat. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on your Snapchat application. And when you're inside the Snapchat application, go ahead to your profile section. And from the appear screen, click on that gear icon. Now you'll be appear with Snapchat settings. You'll have so many options. So to see blocked contacts, scroll all the way down and tap on blocked. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to see the persons that you have blocked on Snapchat. So if you want to unblock, you can simply tap on that cross button and confirm it. Once you do that, the person will be unblocked successfully from your Snapchat. So that's how it is easy and simple. I hope you found the video to be informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.